Hello everyone! Welcome to our YouTube channel. Again, this is Teacher JM, and today we're going to discuss Summative Test Reviewer for English 6, Quarter 3, Week 2.
Disclaimer: the information provided by the presenter on this video is for general informational purposes only, to help pupils to review for their weekly test or summative test. All information is provided in good faith. However, we make no representation or warranty of any kind, express or implied, regarding the accuracy, adequacy, validity, reliability, availability, or completeness of this information. Thank you. Directions: choose the letter of the correct answer.
Number 1. Anna wrote this sentence. The class cleaned the garden after the heavy rain yesterday. Which question is answered by the underlined detail after the heavy rain yesterday? A. Who cleaned the garden? B. Where did they clean? C. When did they clean? D. Why did they clean? The correct answer is letter C. Number 2. Which sentence shows an opinion with evidence? A. Reading is fun. B. Reading is hard for many pupils. C. Reading helps me learn new words, so I enjoy doing it every night. D. Reading is something people do in school. The correct answer is letter C. Number 3. A short story says, Mark returned the lost wallet to his teacher even if no one saw him. Which is the best conclusion based on the important detail? A. Mark is always late. B. Mark is honest. C. Mark is rich. D. Mark is afraid of his teacher. The correct answer is letter B. Number 4. Which sentence shows that the school prepared well for the earthquake drill? A. The school has more than 1,000 pupils. B. The drill was done during a sunny morning. C. Teachers explained safety steps and pupils practiced them before the drill. D. The principal gave a speech last year. The correct answer is letter C. Number 5. Carla wrote, I think using a reading log is helpful because it reminds me to read every night. What makes this a strong opinion sentence? A. It is very long. B. It uses the word because to give a reason. C. It starts with I think only. D. It has no punctuation mark. The correct answer is letter B. Number 6. In a story, number 1. The river beside the village became dirty. Number 2. The children organized a cleanup activity. Number 3. Neighbors were asked to stop throwing trash. Which detail solved the problem? A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. 3 only. D. 1 and 3. The correct answer is letter B. Number 7. Which sentence shows a character trait? A. Leo was chosen as class president. B. Leo shouted at his classmates. C. Leo volunteered to help his classmates review for the quiz. D. Leo stayed at home on Saturday. The correct answer is letter C. Number 8. Which detail best supports the topic being prepared for class? A. She walks to school with her cousins. B. She brings all her books and finishes assignments early. C. She likes to sit near the window. D. She eats lunch at the canteen. The correct answer is letter B. Number 9. What is the best main idea for the group of details? Read the details below and answer the questions. The pupils walk quietly during the drill. They follow the teacher's instructions. They do not push or run. A. The pupils like their teacher. B. The pupils are disciplined during safety drills. C. The pupils are afraid of fire. D. The pupils enjoy running. The correct answer is letter B. Number 10. Which is not an important detail about why planting trees helps the community? A. Trees give shade. B. Trees cool the surroundings. C. Trees reduce flooding. D. Trees are usually green. The correct answer is letter D.
Directions. Write if the statement is true or false.
Number 11. A text that entertains tells a story. This statement is true. Number 12. A text that informs gives facts. This statement is true. Number 13. A text that persuades convinces the reader. This statement is true. Number 14. A typhoon news report entertains. This statement is false. Number 15. An advertisement persuades. This statement is true. Number 16. Instructions mainly inform. This statement is true. Number 17. A fable is a text that entertains. This statement is true. Number 18. Explaining plant parts is persuasion. This statement is false. Number 19. Texts usually have one main purpose. This statement is true. Number 20. Titles alone are always enough to know the text type. This statement is false. Directions. Identify the correct term for each statement. Number 21. Please close the windows. This is an example of a blank. The correct answer is request. Number 22. Bring your journal next meeting. This is an example of a blank. The correct answer is command. Number 23. Kindly lend me your notes. This is an example of a blank. The correct answer is request. Number 24. Do your project carefully. This is an example of a blank. The correct answer is command. Number 25. Could you help me carry these books? This is an example of a blank. The correct answer is request. Number 26. Please fall in line. This is an example of a blank. The correct answer is request. Number 27. Get your bag. This is an example of a blank. The correct answer is command. Number 28. Put your shoes on. This is an example of a blank. The correct answer is command. Number 29. It is a polite sentence asking someone to do something. The correct answer is request. Number 30. It is the changed form of speech using a reporting verb. The correct answer is indirect speech.
Thank you for watching. Again, this is Teacher JM, and don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for more updates. You can also support our YouTube channel by clicking like button, sharing this video, and putting a comment for the content that you want us to cover. Again, thank you and see you next video.